Let's go play beach volley for the first time. And it's raining outside. I came back to Italy and all of my friends are like in love with beach. So they call it beach volley. So I had to give it a try, all right? Here's my friend. She's teaching me a bit. You know, first things first, a little steps. They all were very excited of me hitting the first ball, you know, towards the other side of the play. Campo. The field, that's the way. However, some trials and errors were made. One thing though, I can serve. Like, I will serve the ball towards the other side of the field easily, but also maybe too easy to get, you know, to the other opponents as well. So need to get better at that. It was very fun, but now the best part, it's coming, which is this complex has a restaurant and a bar next to it. So we went and we got some pizza that was actually very good. My favorite part. It was fun.